bird was attacked almost, I should say, like 10 days ago, and I did the surgery. He's doing okay, but I can still see the water is dripping from his belly. Here you go, you just saw the drop there, right there. So there is a hole somewhere, there's a puncture, which I missed it, and I don't want to bother him again. But other than that, he's doing fine. You know, you can see his face, little guy, very cute baby. He was born in this loft, and poor guy, he survived. So that's a very good sign so far, you know. My only concern is the water. I can see still drips, few drops when he drinks. So hopefully that will end very soon. Other than that, you know, everything is fine. That's Ali's birds on the left with white wings, was attacked by hawk today also, but he's doing good. You know, you can see little damage here, but he's fine. He's a little depressed. I just rescued him. That's Casper, and this is Jasper. My birds are in heavy molting. You can see that.